Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Brahmin's Cafe. Today I'm preparing upma with leftover rice. It's also known as coconut rice in some part of India. Ingredients required for this are: I have taken 1 cup of cooked rice here, which is leftover from previous night. 2 spoons of oil. I have taken rice bran oil. You can take any oil of your choice. For tadka, I have taken 1 spoon of mustard and 1 red chilli. 1 spoon of urad dal and 2 spoons of coconut. 1 piece of ginger finely chopped and 2 green chilies which is finely chopped, and few shallots, like 5 to 6 shallots I have taken. If you don't have shallots, you can even use onion for it, and 2 strands of curry leaves. To the heated pan, I'm adding the oil to it, and once the oil gets hot, I am adding the mustard seeds. And we have to wait till the mustard seed starts crackling. So it would take around 1 minute, and once it starts crackling, I need to add the urad dal. I have taken 1 spoon of urad dal here. So you don't have to wait till it becomes brownish in color, because we have to fry other ingredients also. As it gets fried, the urad dal also will turn to brown. Otherwise urad dal will get over fried indeed. So immediately after adding the urad dal, I am adding the red chilli to it along with the curry leaves. So next we need to add the ginger, finely chopped ginger. Also the green chilies. Here I have taken 2 green chilies. You can adjust the green chilies depending upon the spice level which you love for. As it gets fried, right, it will take some 2.5 minutes for this ginger and green chilies to get fried. So then you need to add the finely chopped shallots. The entire process of preparing this upma coconut rice will not take more than 5 minutes or 7 minutes. So it's very easy and quick to make a dish. So you have once added the shallots you have to fry until it just becomes translucent. You don't have to fry until it becomes brownish in color and all. So it tastes good, and when it is slightly translucent, only the raw smell should go off, but the color it should retain. Also, it's always advisable to make sure that the rice which you are using for this particular dish should be not be hot. It should be cold enough. Otherwise what happens, when you mix the hot rice along with this tadka, the dish becomes very mushy, right? So that will not give good consistency. So once the onion became translucent, I have added the rice to it along with the required salt, and we need to mix this mixture thoroughly so that the oil and the tadka is reaches all parts of the rice, and also the salt is mixed thoroughly so that it tastes good in all parts of the dish. So we have to just keep mixing this or stirring this, and maybe until you feel that it's been properly distributed, the tadka and salt has been properly distributed among the rice. So once it's cooked, once it's properly mixed, I'm adding the coconut to it. And once we add the coconut, we should not be cooking it or putting the flame. So what you can do immediately, you can switch off the flame and you can just mix it thoroughly. So this dish tastes good with the raw taste of coconut. So this dish is ready to be served now. You can serve this with papad and pickle. It tastes really very good. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Until we see next time, bye.